Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you're all good. Today we're going to talk about can and could. Okay, we use can for the present and the future to talk about ability. And what the meaning of ability? Ability means something that you can do or you can't do. For example, I can swim. So this is something that you can do. He can play the guitar. Can he speak English? No. So he can't speak English. Number 2, to ask for permission. So again, we said that we use can to talk about abilities. And number 2, to ask for permission. For example, can I go to the toilet? So this way, I'm asking for permission. And here I used can. Can I go to the toilet? And here the answer will be with yes or no, thank you. So the answer, yes, you can, or no, you can't. Okay, how can we make questions using can? We make questions by starting with can. For example, here, yes, he can run fast. Let's ask. Okay, how can I ask using can? I should start with the word can. So here, let's make cross. Can he run fast? So this is a question. The negative form is can't or cannot. He can speak English. Let's turn it into negative. So here, he can't speak English. So again, how can I make a question with can? I should start with the word can. Okay, what about the negative? I can just use can't. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's try. Can she speak French? Answer with yes. Yes. How we can say it? Okay. Yes, she can. Thank you. Number 2, can he climb a mountain? No. So here, no, he can't. Okay, this is about can. So again, before we move to another point, we said that we use can to talk about abilities. For example, I can swim. He can speak English. This is abilities. And also to ask for permission. For example, can I go to the toilet? Can I eat during the session? So all of them are ways to ask for permission. Let's move to could. How can we use could? Let's see. Yesterday, I could spend lots of time with my baby. So here, what is the difference between can and could? We said that we use can to talk about abilities, but in the present or in the future. For example, I can swim. The sentence is in the present. But here I said, yesterday I could spend lots of time with my baby. So here, because the sentence is in the past simple, so here I used the word could. So the difference again between can and could, that can we use it to talk about something in the present, but could we use it in the past simple. And here we have the time expression. Yesterday, I could spend lots of time with my baby. Next example. When I was young, I couldn't read. I couldn't read. So this sentence is in the present or in the past? Of course, it's in the past because I'm talking about when I was young. The sentence is in the past. So here I use could or can. Excellent, I used could. And here, I used it in the negative form. So I couldn't read. I couldn't walk when I was 6 months. So here, also I'm talking about something that happened in the past. My ability in the past. I couldn't walk when I was 6 months. Can I say here can't? No, why? Because here, I'm talking about my ability in the past. When I was 6 months, I couldn't walk. Okay, we make questions by starting with could. So here, yes, he could run fast when he was 10. Let's ask. Okay, see? We started with could. So could he run fast when he was 10? So again, the question with could, I start with writing the word could. And it's the same with can. I start with can, and here the same. I start with could. So could he run fast when he was 10? Another example. The negative form is, the negative form is couldn't. So we talked about how to make a question with could. I start with could. And here the negative form is couldn't, is the same as can and can't. Here could and couldn't. So the negative form is couldn't. For example, he could walk when he was 3 years old. Notice here the sentence is in the past, when he was 3 years old. So here let's turn it into negative. Here the negative form of could is excellent couldn't. So here he couldn't walk when he was 3 years old. Okay, again, we use can and could to talk about abilities, but can in the present and the future, could in the past. Okay. Now let's move to this story. It will show you the difference between can and could. Let's summarize what we have said. My name is Nancy. I am 24 years old. I can go cycling. So here's Nancy. She's talking in the present. She's 24 years old. She said that I can go cycling. And now she can go cycling. I can also run fast, but I can't climb a mountain. So this is in the present. Okay, let's move to the past, when she was young. When I was 12, I could play the guitar. And when I was a baby, I couldn't read. So this is in the past. So if we're talking about our abilities in the present, we use can or can't. But if we're talking about our abilities in the past, we use could, or the negative of could, couldn't. Now it's your turn. Yesterday I had no money and I can't, couldn't find a bank anywhere. Okay, first, this sentence is in the present simple or in the past simple? Excellent, it's in the past simple. And in the past we use can or could. Okay, we use could. So here, I had no money and I couldn't find a bank anywhere. Number 2, can, could, couldn't you speak English? Yes, I can. Here I answered with yes, I can. So by logic, the question here, I'm going to start with can. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Number 3, Mary can, could, can't play the piano when she was 6. When she was 6, we're talking about her ability in the present or in the past? In the past, because here we said when she was 6. So Mary, excellent, couldn't play the piano. Sorry, could play the piano, I'm sorry. Number 4, could you write when you were 2 years old? No, I could or couldn't. Excellent, no, I couldn't, because it's in the negative form. Number 5, can, can't, could you ride a bike to school when you were a child? When you were a child, this is in the present or in the past? In the past. So here I'm going to ask with could. And please notice that after can, can't, could, couldn't, we should use the bare infinitive. So here I should say find, not finds, not finding. I can swim, not swimming, not swims. Yes, Kate can swim. Can you ask? Okay, how can we ask with can? We should start with can. Excellent. So here, let's start. Can Kate swim? Excellent. This is the question. Number 2. I can't go to the library yesterday because I was sick. Correct the mistake. I can't go to the library yesterday because I was sick. The sentence is in the present simple or in the past simple? In the past, thank you. So here I should use can't or couldn't. Let's see. So this is the mistake, can't. And it will be couldn't. Thank you. Number 3, I can sing nicely. Yesterday, can we use yesterday? Of course. Yesterday is a time expression in the present simple or in the past? In the past simple. Okay, and in the past simple we use can or could? Of course we use could. So here I could sing nicely yesterday. Number 4, can I go out tonight, Mom? Answer. Okay, this is a yes or no question. So here we're going to answer with yes or no. Can I go out tonight, Mom? Yes, you can. Or no, you can't. Thank you very much for listening and have a wonderful day. Thank you.